What is up and welcome to another video. Today is Wednesday and market is still pretty much very choppy, and majority of long and short position is still at risk of getting stop hunt or getting liquidated in the immediate short term. Bitcoin has been moving on a sideways channel on a monthly time frame. We'll talk about Bitcoin immediate short-term target in this video, and of course we'll talk about some of the major altcoins, and we'll check out some of your previous comments. If you have any chart requests, we'll talk about them today as well. And of course, if you like this kind of content, don't forget to smash that like button, guys. Subscribe to the channel, and of course click that notification bell. If you are ready, let's dive right in. So looking at the Bitcoin's chart right now, Bitcoin is still trading at around 111,300. So let's go check out the chart, guys. So right now Bitcoin is if you can see on the daily time frame, we have this bearish divergence, guys. We have this bearish divergence right here using Chart Prime Oscillator Pro. Price is forming higher highs, but the oscillator fails to make new high. We have this bearish divergence playing out, but also we have a small bullish divergence here. Price forms lower low, but the oscillator fails to make new low. But right now we have a bearish patterns as well. We have this rising wedge pattern. The ideal breakout target of this rising wedge pattern will be the bottom of the wedge, which is in confluence with this bearish bad pattern. Why I'm calling this bearish bad pattern? Because the price right now is still in the middle zone. It hasn't reached the target. If the price is already on this target or the D target, that means, well, we can call this a bullish bad pattern. Right now we'll call this bearish bad because there is a chance that the price would continue to move down to hit that D target. So as what you can see, if you're going to focus on this rising wedge pattern, Bitcoin, let me just change the color. Let's make it yellow. So Bitcoin broke out from this rising wedge pattern, guys. So what you can see, the price broke out from this support level, bounce from this zone support, and then retested the previous support, and this has turned into a resistance. So right now what we're seeing is a retest of this previous support right now, this one right here, the horizontal support, this level right here. So Bitcoin could retest this level, in my opinion. Again, this all charts and TA are for educational purpose only and should not be considered as a financial advice. I could be wrong on my analysis, so always do your own research. So in my opinion, Bitcoin in the immediate short term could retest the 111 or $112,000 up to $114,000. This is going to be the horizontal support. So let's see if Bitcoin will be able to turn this into a support or resistance. So it's going to be the zone that you need to keep an eye on. So if this bullish divergence will play out, then we could probably see a retest of this level. Let's try to look at the 4-hour time frame. We'll have a better picture here of the price action. So breakout, retest of the previous support trend line, and right now we're seeing this retest of this horizontal zone, guys, horizontal zone. So this is around 112,000 up to $114,000. The ideal breakout target of this rising wedge will be the bottom of the wedge, which is around 99,000 up to 100,500. And that is in confluence with our bearish bat pattern on the daily time frame. So two chart patterns, two bearish patterns, all pointing to the same target here. And if you're going to zoom out, this is also in confluence with the short-term multi-month support trend line using logarithmic chart. So we have a multi-month from September 2024, April 2025. This is going to be the third retest of support, guys. So we have similar or several confluences on the daily time frame. Now, if Bitcoin will be able to reclaim the $114,000 into a support, then this downtrend could be invalidated, this short-term move right here. But overall, the key resistance level that Bitcoin needs to reclaim to invalidate this overall downtrend will be this level right here. 100 is the key resistance right now. Key resistance level, or we'll call it zone. So key resistance zone 117 is going to be the level here, up to 118, same as last time. Key resistance level to invalidate the overall downtrend. In the immediate short term, this is going to be the resistance level that we need to keep an eye on. So that's it for Bitcoin. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Are you bullish on Bitcoin? Are you bearish? I would like to hear from you guys. Drop your comments in the comment section down below. Now let me check some of the comments on my previous video. A cycle has ended. Market always wins. So what do you think, guys? Is this the end of the cycle? Do you think we'll see higher prices in the coming months, or we'll see a much lower price in the coming months? I would like to hear from you. Let's try to see what the majority is saying. There has never been a bull market in history that ended without euphoria. You can draw lines and chart, but emotions and sentiment are the most important. Remember, but how do we know the sentiment and emotion? Again, the majority are losing in trading. Only 10% are profitable in trading, guys. Remember that one. So if you follow the market sentiment or the majority, it is likely that you will be left holding the bag when the market crash. The biggest back and forth guy. Again, guys, my analysis for Bitcoin has never changed. It's always the same on the weekly time frame. If you're going to zoom out, I have explained this on my previous videos, guys. I am bearish in the coming months. In the coming 2 to 3 months, I expect Bitcoin to go down. That is my stance and my analysis for Bitcoin. I've explained the double tops here, possible rising wedge pattern, double bearish divergence on the weekly time frame. Nothing has changed. Same analysis, same target on the weekly time frame. Now, if we're going to look at the 1 hour time frame, I could be bullish because again, I'm expecting a short-term retest of the $113,000 or $114,000, but that doesn't mean I have changed my analysis on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still believe that Bitcoin would probably see a correction in the coming months. I hope that is clear. Also, one comment here, not yet, bro. So the title of this previous video is "The Bear Market Has Started." Again, I remain bearish in the coming months. Do your own research because I could be wrong. Crypto Keith is also saying, laughing out loud, not yet. So that's your opinion. That's my opinion. And that is based on the charts. So I think that's it for today. We don't have any chart request. So I hope that my analysis would play out. Just waiting for my trades to hit the target. For now, risk management is very important. Again, thank you for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. Don't forget to smash that like button, guys. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. And of course, click that notification bell so you will be notified every time I upload a new videos like this. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.